let's get us set up to be able to create some jobs. The first thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to go to our task list. These are tasks that are associated with jobs, and you may choose not to use these at all, but let's just set up a few so we can show you what you can do with them. So the tasks are things that you can attach to a job, and you can add photos, notes, and attachments to these as well. And you can also allow your employees to put time and quantities installed to tasks. With tasks, you can put anything at all in here for a task. If your company uses cost codes for these tasks, go ahead and put them in. The units are for when you're using the goal setting part of this app, but you don't have to put them in here. So if I were doing placing concrete, I might want to use units as square feet. And now I'm done, so I'll just press this plus button here. So this task is set up. Alright, so I have a few tasks that are set up. It's also important to remember, if you've ever screwed up with the name, you can always go back here, click on that task, and you can edit that. Now let's go back to the home page. We're going to go and set up a couple of jobs next.